Brand marketing. Branding is the foundation of any successful marketing strategy. It's not just a logo or a tagline, it's the entire personality and identity of your business. A strong brand helps you stand out from the competition, build trust with your audience, and create a lasting impression. Effective brand marketing involves a cohesive, multi-channel approach. This includes your website, social media, advertising, packaging, and every touchpoint where your customers encounter your brand. At the heart of your brand marketing is your core brand identity, your logo, colors, typography, and visual style. These elements create a consistent, recognizable look and feel that customers associate with your business. But branding goes deeper than just visuals. It's also about your brand's personality, values, and the story you tell. Your brand story is what connects you emotionally with your audience and helps them understand what your business is all about.